So Google recently dropped something huge. It's called Flow, and it might just change how we think about AI video forever. If you ever heard of VEO, especially the newer one, VEO3 model, you already know we're talking about the next level stuff. We're talking about AI that can take simple prompts, just few words, and turn it into ultra high quality videos that look like it came from a film studio. Now, combine that with Flow, which is basically Google's big push to unify video creation, editing, and storytelling using AI. These models don't just generate visuals, they understand movements, emotions, lighting. They're trained on cinematic principles. It's like giving a Hollywood director's brain to an AI. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what these tools can actually do, how VEO3 works, and why Flow might be the future of content creation. And yes, we're going to create some wild videos using VEO3. So stick around till the end. And if you're into AI, filmmaking, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, just subscribe to our channel to support us and motivate us to make more videos like this. Head into Flow on the Google Apps page using the link in the description box. You click on Create with Flow. You will be transferred to the Flow tool page. You click on New Project. And this is your prompt area. If you notice, you have your prompt box, you have text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. The one we're going to be using today is text to video. You click on settings. You can change output number up to 4. Let's pick 2. And the quality, you have VEO2, VEO2, and VEO3, which has experimental audios. So we're going to click on it. And it will cost you 100 credits for each generation. Alright, after getting my prompt ready, I am ready to go. If you notice, you have this button that appears right here. You can just clear your prompt if you're not satisfied with it. And after making sure everything is alright, you click on this arrow. And you will wait until the generation is over. Alright, so the generation is over, everyone, and it took about 1 minute and 5 seconds. And according to my experience with AI video generation tools, this is an amazing result in a very short amount of time. 1 minute for an 8-second clip, or basically 2 of them 16 seconds, is really good. So let's check the results. We're ready for it. Hit and go. Okay, the first clip is really good, considering the time it spent to generate. Only in this frame we noticed the astronaut kind of turned forward, while in the first frame it was facing backward. Right, but the quality of the background, the audio is really clear and fits well the scene. Second result is pretty good. I don't see any glitches or unnecessary objects around, and the audio is really perfect as well. I have tried another prompt, another animal prompt. Let's check it out. This is amazing. Even the sound effects. You could never guess this video is AI. I don't see any glitches at all. Let's check the second one. Look at this scene. It's really perfect. They even added some like text editing. Isn't this cool? Even though these letters don't mean anything, but it's a little fun clip. Yeah. As for how to interact with these videos, you have 3 options. You can download from here as an animated GIF, or you can download the original video size, or you can upscale it up to 1080p. Alright, that was about it. If you go back to the flow page, you will see your projects right here. You can name them as well as you want. You can see them on a grid view or list right here. And as for the plans, you notice we spent for each video 100 credits. And if you want more, you can upgrade to Google AI Pro or AI Ultra. And next to these, you don't get only Flow, which use the VEO3 model. You get a lot more that you can check on your own and choose based on your interests. Alright, that was about it, guys. And tell me in the comments, what do you think of Flow's VEO3 model? Do you think the result was satisfying? And for me personally, the timing was really amazing for that result. It was pretty short, pretty quick, and very, very satisfying results so far.